NCERT to replace India with a Bharat in upcoming books. In a significant move, the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, has given its approval to replace the term India with a Bharat in all textbooks across the country. One of the most talked about proposals is to replace the name India with a Bharat in textbooks. This change is expected to reflect the traditional and indigenous name for the country. The idea behind this recommendation is to emphasize the historical and cultural significance of the name Bharat, while acknowledging the nation's rich heritage. The committee has also suggested a shift from ancient history to classical history in the curriculum. This change aims to provide a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of India's historical evolution. It could entail a focus on specific periods or aspects of India's history that are considered classical, offering a deeper exploration of the nation's past.